So have you been having seed heads in your lawn? Have you been seeing those pop up and you've wondered what they were? Well, seed heads aren't anything to worry about, but the seed stalk aftermath is kind of a pain in the butt. What I'm talking about is these hard little pieces that are now left down in the ground that the seed heads were on, and it's just this hard piece that is now left. The problem with it is that this will slow down a blade enough when you have a lot of them in there, and it makes for a rough cut. If you look at these blades, they are rough cut. You can see how that one right there is super rough cut. It's all tattered and stuff. The problem with that is that my blade is sharp. I just sharpened it, but because of all these blades of seed stalk, it's just causing a lot of bad cuts. So if you're experiencing this, one of the best things that you can do is actually lower your mower down a notch or two, mow it down a little bit shorter, and then raise it back up to your regular height. What you're gonna do is mow back some of these seed stalk and it won't pop up, and you'll get a lot better looking cut. You won't get these rough, jagged blades anymore or anything like that. I've actually taken mine down pretty low, and now I am going to let it grow back up to help it out. If you have any questions, reach out to me on DM or check out my YouTube channel.